So the other day when I was replacing the air pump that's right here, I went around the engine and tightened the nuts on the valve covers, and I moved this out of the way. And when I came back after getting everything buttoned up, I wanted to make sure that all the injector were seated properly and didn't, like cockeyed or something like that. And when I pressed on the back one on cylinder number 7, there was a zap, and then immediately the engine started running rough. And you Well, what happened was I had blown, I don't know if you guys can see this, I had blown the fuse that goes to the injector side 1, I think it is, on the fuse box, but it's the 7.5 amp fuse. And actually it took me, because when I pulled it out at the first day, I didn't notice that it was broken. It didn't look broken until I actually held it up to the sun so I could see through it. But when I pulled it out the first time, oh yeah, it's fine, put it back in, everything. But this is what it ended up being.